Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to announce the winner of the ISDT Q6 Nano Charger giveaway, but before that I would like to share with you some good news. KremerFPV just announced on their Facebook page that the original Vista unit is back in stock, and I'm not sure how long this stock is going to last, and I have to check with Caddx if it is something temporary or it is back on production. So currently, at the moment of shooting this video, the original Vista units are still in stock on Caddx website. So in case you are looking for a 120 frames per second camera with the full features that enables you to configure the camera via the DJI goggles, this is something that you might want to check out. Another thing that you might want to check out is Flywoo's 10% off promotion. Today is the last day of the promotion, as tomorrow the Chinese holiday is going to be over, so in case you are in the market for one of their products, like the new Sceneris 20 which I have recently reviewed, check out Flywoo's website, which is linked down below. Now I'm going to randomly select the winner of the ISDT Q6 Nano Charger giveaway, which was kindly sponsored by Banggood. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you had to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel and leave a single comment on the giveaway video that contained the giveaway code from the coupon list. The code that you had to enter in order to participate in the giveaway was Q6 Nano BG, and for some reasons, not many of you followed the rules, so the amount of unique commenters is only 25, plus 24 extra entries from patron supporters on level supporter and above, who are automatically included in normal giveaways. So now, without further ado, let's select the winner, and the winner is Pavel Tarnopolsky, who was selected from extra entries as he is a patron supporter. So congratulations Pavel for winning the Q6 Nano Charger. I'm going to reach out to you through Patreon, get your details, and hopefully the Q6 Nano Charger is going to be shipped out to you soon by Banggood. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.